Hey everybody, so today, if you can see behind me, I have some seats right here. These are actually seats out of a 350Z, and today I am going to attempt to, for one, put them back together, because I actually got them and they were disassembled. So I have the fun part of trying to put them back together without knowing how they actually go back together. So that's going to be fun on all its own. But then I get to try and mount them in here. I want to get rid of this crappy bench seat. I mean, look at it. It's bad. It's been in here since 1991. So, you know, hey. But it's going to be fun. That's why I have the glasses on. I want to be as smart as possible when doing this. So let's see what I can do. First, obviously, I'm going to need to remove the bench seat so that I have something to go with. And then let's figure out what we got after that. So on this bench seat, you got mounting points right here, and then there's one back behind here. In order to get to that one back there, it's easier just to go ahead and remove this whole seatbelt assembly, because then you could just, you know, move it out of the way. So that is a T50 right here, and that is a 15 millimeter. I'm sure that's probably a 15 as well. Now, one thing that I'm gonna have to do, because this had bench seats in it, once I get it out here, you'll notice that it does not have mounts over there. The next mounts are all the way on the other side of the bench. So what we're gonna have to do is, when we drill the holes for the other side of those seats, we're gonna have to put a backing plate down there, or a large washer, just something to keep the head from pulling through, and it needs to be nice and stout. It's not a big deal. I got plenty of metal laying around, so we'll get that taken care of. But I'm gonna show you the process, and I'm not gonna be using any blazer rails or anything like that. I'm actually going to attempt to reuse everything there. It's gonna be a challenge, but we'll see what we can do. Woo, she's dirty up in here. You can see it looks like a mouse or something clearly made a home up in here at some point. So I am actually gonna get the vacuum over here, and I'm gonna clean up all of this crap and make it look a lot better. I don't need this wire anymore. I'm probably gonna see about getting rid of what's underneath here too. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the carpet up, because I gotta, you know, I actually have to get underneath there to drill some holes probably. I know I have to right up in here somewhere. So yeah, let me get this carpet pulled up after I vacuum it, and then yay. So let's take a look at what we got here. First off, I see some rust. Yeah, you see it too. Rust, a nice big chunk of rust that it's not going through, but yeah, it's still nice and rusty. So gonna go ahead and clean that up with a wire brush, whatever I need to do to get it all nice and cleaned up, and then I'm gonna hit it with that rust stop, and we're gonna call it as good as it's gonna be. And right there, we're gonna hit that as well, and that's actually about it. Everything else looks nice and clean. So we want to take care of those spots before, but after we get that taken care of, then we can start seeing about mounting the seats while that dries and everything like that. So let's go ahead and knock that out real quick. Okay, so I wanted to go ahead and kind of get a look of it, how it's gonna sit. And basically, so this is what I got here. And it actually is the same height as the bench seat. Actually, it's a little bit lower where it is. Now, I actually have it mounted, or not mounted yet, but just basically sitting up there on the spot that goes up. And then over here, I'll probably have to make something right here to go down to that, or not really sure how I'll do that just yet, but I'll figure it out. And then on the other side, I'll have to drill a hole and put a backer inside there, but I could bolt that down. I might flatten that out just a touch more, you know, make a little trim basically and flatten it out. But these back here, I don't have to do anything to except for drill some holes and put backers in it behind them on both sides. I might flatten that one out, as you know, like I'm doing the one on that same side in the front. I'll probably flatten that out just a little bit more so that it sits nice and flat, and it'll probably go right about there. And yeah. So these are actually gonna work out. And I put the back in, and the back does not, it comes up to about right here. So I'm good with that. I can live with that. I think it's actually gonna work out pretty good. I'm actually kind of surprised at how well it's about to work out. So let's go ahead and see about flattening some of this stuff out and drilling some holes. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and mark some holes now, and then I'm gonna, yeah. Okay, so I'll tell you what I got. I got my holes drilled. So 1 hole, 2 holes, 3, and then that one I'm gonna be building something to go up to it, and yeah, that's gonna be a whole thing. But check it out, she's in, and she is sturdy too. So let's have a seat in there. See, oh wow, that feels good. Oh yeah, that's way better than the bucket seats that were in here. Holy crap, that's actually holds me. Right here at the steering wheel, I can reach the shifter. Man, hell, I could even bring the shifter back just a touch if I wanted to. I still gotta do this other side, but it took me literally all day to do this one seat. But let me show you what I did. So the other spots you saw, I drilled the holes, nothing major. And, you know, just make sure there's nothing underneath when you drill them. But remember I was saying I was gonna have to do something right here. So basically I took a piece of metal, it's at an angle, there's a nut on the bottom, then there's a nut right there, so it's sandwiched in right there, so it's nice and sturdy. Yeah, and then there's a nut, then there's a bolt going through right there, obviously holding everything nice and stout. And I can actually raise and lower the seat like I'm supposed to. All of this works again, or still I should say, and that, and yeah, it's all good. Yeah, I still got to mount the seat belts, so looks like I can reuse the seat belts for now. They will work. Probably not the best thing to use, but they are gonna work. And I can actually remount the over here. I can actually remount the other parts too. The seat belt. I could not get that out for nothing. Could not get that word out. So I'm gonna go ahead and mount those things back, and yeah, I'll do the other seat later. I don't need 2 seats right now. Okay, so I got my seat belts mounted, as you can see, and they work fully. Let's actually, before I say they work fully, let's actually find out. Let me go back on that side. Check it out. Seat belt fully works. It's all in, you know, tied in. Everything is nice and secure for now until I get my harnesses, or until I go with harnesses. But yeah, I mean, I'm sort of, you know, I'm not quite center. I'm not quite dead center. I'm a little bit, or well, I'm not quite in line with where I need to be. I'm a little over to the right a little bit, but it's not enough that it's gonna matter. It actually works out pretty good where I'm at. So I'm gonna leave it this way. I am not mounting this one just yet because I did not have enough bolts to put that one together, to put the other one together, because the person that I got the seats from misplaced all of the bolts to actually assemble the seats. He has them, he just don't know where they're at. So once I find those, I just had to I came about some bolts. I just found some bolts to put this one together, you know, but it was every bolt that I had. So I can't even put that one together until I find those other bolts, or I go buy more, which might be what has to happen. But what matters is I have me a seat, and I'm the only one that's gonna be riding in it for right now, so I'm happy with that. So we're gonna call it, yeah, hey, I got bucket seats, or I have bucket seat. So yeah, oh, that's so good. I like this. Hold on, hold on, we gotta look at it from out here. Yeah, yes, I see this here, but that's still, it's better than the bucket seats. Everything was missing right here for the bucket seats. So hey, if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'm gonna keep putting them video out. So see you next time.